I'm Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we are going to see the solution of a very interesting optimization question which has been there in past test paper. I'm calling this quadratic equation test 2. I hope the solution is going to help you. The question here is, a sports store sells jersey for $77 each. At this price, they sell 12 jerseys each week. The managers learn that for each $2 decrease, the number of sales each week will increase by 1. Find the selling price of the jersey if the revenue must be $10.85 for the week, right? So, let's try to understand the situation. It says, a store sells each jersey for $77. So the cost happens to be 77. And they are able to sell how many jerseys? 12. Each week, right? The manager learns that for each $2 decrease, that means if I make it minus 2, the number of sales each week will increase by 1, so it will add by 1. You get the idea. So, 75 will give me a sale of 13, right? But if I reduce by 2n, so what I'm doing is that 77 minus n multiples of 2, then I'll be able to sell 12 plus n jersey. Does it make sense to you? Correct? So it says find the selling price of the jersey if the revenue is $10.85. So the revenue is basically product of price, right? So the revenue here is the product of price and the quantity sold, right? So let me write down directly. It is 77 minus 2n, which is the price, and the quantity sold is 12 plus n. Makes sense? Now basically we want this revenue to be $10.85. So for that, what is the value of n? And then we'll find the price. Does that make sense to you? So that is the equation. Correct? So we can actually expand and simplify. So we have 1085 equals to 77 times 12. So let's write down the quadratic equation, right? Which is 924. I'm just expanding, right? Plus 77n minus 24n, and 2 times this will be minus 2n square. Bringing the terms together, we get 2n square. I'm just bringing them on the left side. And combining these two, 77n and minus 24, we get 53. When I bring it on this side, it becomes minus 53, right? And then here we have plus 1085 minus 924 equals to 0, correct? So we have 2n square minus 53n, 1085 minus 924. Gives me 161. So we have to now find the value of n. I'll use the quadratic formula, right? So minus b, which is 53, plus minus square root of 53 square, minus 4AC, 4 times 161 times 2 over 2A, right? 2 times 2, which is 4. So within the square root, I have 53 square minus 4 times 2 times 161, 1521, square root of 1521 gives me 39. So we have 53 plus minus 39 over 4, correct? So we still have 53 minus 39 can also work, right? So 53 minus 39 equals to 14. Divide by 4 gives me 7 by 2. So one of the answers is 3.5. The other answer is very large, so we cannot, that will not be applicable. So 77 minus 2n, n has to be less than half of 77, right? Otherwise you're selling it for free, right? So 38. So from here we know that n, let me write down in red, has to be less than 38.5. Make sense? So 3.5 is a good value of n to go with. So find the selling price. So selling price could be 77 minus. So the selling price will be how much? Let me just push it a bit. So the selling price will be 77 minus 2 times 3.5. Is that okay? Which is 77 minus 7, which is $70. So we get the selling price of $70 for a sale of 1085. Make sense? So that is how you're going to answer this particular question. You can always learn directly from me by sending an email on the address given. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your time and all the best.